Dear learners, in this video, I will be providing 20 set of questions in the subject ICT. Come, let's begin. The first question is, Virtual Labs project is coordinated by IIT Delhi. Virtual Labs project is coordinated by IIT Delhi. The second question is, which learning management system is used for EPG Padasala? Which learning management system is used for EPG Padasala, a tutor? Third question is ISO 26324 2012 is a standard for digital object identifier. ISO 26324 colon 2012 is a standard for digital object identifier. National Digital Heritage Archive, that is NDHA, is a digital preservation repository of National Library of New Zealand. NDHA is a digital preservation repository of National Library of New Zealand, and the full form of NDHA is National Digital Heritage Archive. National Digital Heritage Archive, that is NDHA. COPE stands for Committee on Publication Ethics. NOOR. NOOR means Knowledge Repository Open Network, and it is an institutional repository and it is maintained by University of Kerala. NOOR is maintained by University of Kerala. NOOR means Knowledge Repository Open Network, and it is an institutional repository. Exploration and Open Access Repository of Indian Thesis is maintained by CSIR. So exploration is an open access repository of Indian Thesis and it is maintained by CSIR. The full form of CSIR is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. TSpace is a free and secure research repository established by University of Toronto Library. TSpace is established by University of Toronto Library. OCLC WorldCat Link Manager is an open URL. KERIS. KERIS means Korean Education and Research Information System, and it is an education research information system which is in Korea. KERIS is an education research information system of Korea. The database eDoc deals with patent. The database eDoc deals with patents. Bandwidth is a measure of data transfer rate. Bandwidth is a measure of data transfer rate. Logs is related to digital preservation tools. By which email facility Delnet provide access to international databases to its member countries, member libraries, RENIC. By which email facility Delnet provides access of international databases to its member libraries, RENIC. Portico is a Portico is a digital preservation service and it is used and useful for libraries and museum, etc. Portico is meant for digital preservation service and it is used and useful for libraries and museum, etc. Google can bring you back 1 lakh answers. A librarian can bring you back the right one. Who said this? Neil Gaiman. Google can bring you back 1 lakh answers, but a librarian can bring back you the right one. Who said this? Neil Gaiman. Digital Object Identifier, that is DOI, always starts with the digit 10. Digital Object Identifier, DOI, always starts with the digit 10. The word plagiarism is derived from the word Latin and it means kidnapping or abducting. The word plagiarism is derived from Latin, which means kidnapping or abducting. What is the meaning of koha in Maori language of New Zealand? Gift. The meaning of koha is gift. What is the major purpose of digital object identifier? That is DOI. To provide bibliographic description of digitized resources. So when you are providing bibliographic details for digital contents, then it is known as digital object identifier.